full section dedicated to inventory exists. If you have multiple eBay stores, eBay 1, eBay 2, eBay 3, eBay 4, you can also sync all of them with 3Dsellers. For example, I have this product here. It has its SKU across my 3 different stores, and I can choose which stores I want to sync with, that they have the SKU, tell them how much I want to display and how much units I have, turn it on, and you will have actually inventory sync between your eBay accounts. Super easy. You select 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, these 2, give them 2 units, and you just click apply, and it's done. It's demo account, so I will not do it. So this is very important. And bundles the kits. If you are selling bundles, let's say one item that includes many sub-items inside. For the example, here we have a kit of snowballs, and you can choose which eBay accounts you want to include these bundles for. Let's say I want this bundle to be available on these 3 accounts. And what have in the bundle? 2 items in this bundle, and 1 item from this in this bundle, and you can create bundles and turn your inventory sync immediately into bundles. And again, advanced, but possible. We have many users that use it because it's hard to manage bundles and kits. Now, this is in terms of listing. I will not spend more time on this.